Hi everyone, here we've got Nokia 3.4 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings and now we have to tap on the display. Here we've got the wallpaper, so simply tap on it, and as you can see here we've got the section where we can check our currently set wallpaper. What's more, under it we've got two different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. We can choose it from My Photos, and after tapping on it you will be just transferred to your own gallery. Or here we've got some pre-installed ones, so let me pick something from those options, and in order to check the preview of it, just tap on it. And as you can see, it immediately appears on the screen, so if you are happy with your choice, just tap on the wallpaper in the right upper corner. Now we can decide where we want to set it, so we can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both, so just tap on the option you'd like to use. Now let me get back, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied to our home screen, and let's check the lock screen also. As you can see, it is also visible on the lock screen. So actually that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Nokia 3.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.